Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can set up Uniswap wallet in Google extension. So let's jump right in. To begin, head over to the official Uniswap website at uniswap.org. Once you're there, click on the Get the App button located in the top right corner of the page. A menu will pop up asking whether you want to add the wallet on mobile or as an extension, so choose the extension option. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. From there, simply click Add to Chrome to install the Uniswap wallet extension. After a brief moment, the extension will be added and ready for setup. Because we don't yet have a wallet, we'll select the Create a Wallet option. You'll have the option to create a Uniswap username, but this step is completely optional and can be skipped. Next, you'll be asked to set a password for your wallet. Make sure it's strong and secure, as you won't be able to move forward without a proper password. Once your password is created, click Continue. You'll now see a caution message explaining that the next screen contains your seed recovery phrase. This phrase is extremely important. It gives full access to your wallet and funds, so be sure to store it safely and privately. After reviewing it, check the confirmation box and click Continue. To verify that you've saved your recovery phrase correctly, the extension will ask you to input a few specific words from the phrase, such as the first, second, and 11th words. Once that's done, your wallet will be fully set up and ready to use. You can access it at any time by clicking the extension icon in your browser or using the shortcut Shift plus Control plus U.